Alright, y'all, and what's this?
Sophia.
This is the Sophia Tea Party set. You want to play Tea Party with Sophia? Sophia, the first Tea Party set. Okay, we're back with all the things we made with the Sophia tea set. This thing makes tea. Press on the plunger. She's holding a tray. She's got her bird and that. She makes a lot of cool stuff. Let's take a closer look. The bunny, the flower.
Yeah.
What's the bunny's name?
Bunny.
Can you say Clover?
Poopy.
Yeah. And here's the teacups.
Teacup.
And here's the, what's the squirrel's name? We don't know, huh? And the flowers.
I see them. It's Sophia can decorate.
And there's Sophia.
Sophia can decorate.
And there's her treats. And was this Sophia tea party set?
Yeah.
You want to take a drink of tea?